Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. Welcome to VR Computer Education. This channel helps the students to learn the computer subjects in an easy way. So to get more lecturer videos, please encourage me by subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. Let us begin the today's class.
Java operators, one of the most important concepts in Java. So let us start the concept Java operators. So first, definition of operator. Operator is a symbol which takes two or more arguments called as operands and process them and generates the result. So basically it performs a specific action by combining the operands given with it. So for example, A equals to 4, B equals to 5, C is equals to A plus B here we have taken. Now A value is 4, B value is equals to 5. Now this is the expression, means here A and B are considered as operands. Okay, and plus is the operator. So in the definition, the operator is a symbol which takes two or more arguments and operates them to generate the result. So what result you will get here? So that is 4 plus 5, that is 9 you will get. This is the specific action by combining the operators given with it. This is the definition of operator. Next, there are several types of operators in Java. So every type of operator will perform different operations between operands. Operators are used in programs to manipulate data and variables. It can perform mathematical calculation between arguments. So generally operators are three types: unary, binary and ternary. You know, unary means 1, binary means 2, ternary means 3. Now unary operator means operator that required only single operand, right, is known as unary operator. So for example, increment and decrement operators are considered as unary operator. So these operators are what? Plus plus and minus minus. So A, if I take A, this is the operand, and plus plus I am taking. So unary operator will operate only on single operand, or you can say A minus minus, like this. An operator which performs operations on a single operand, that is called unary operator. Now you take binary operator, means it will perform operations on two operands. They are arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, bitwise, etc. So here if you take binary operator, arithmetic operator means you can take like this: A plus B. This is the arithmetic operator. So here it is taking two operands. Suppose relational operator like A greater than B checks the relationship between. See, it is taking two operands. So an operator which is working on two operands, that is called binary operator. Next, ternary means an operator which take three operands or variables, and that is called ternary operator. So ternary operators in C++ or Java or C is known as conditional operator. Now based on number of arguments passing, operators are classified into 8 types: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, conditional, increment or decrement and decrement, bitwise operator. So let us see one by one in detail. Next special operators. So total 8 operators. First, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are simple, fundamental, basic mathematical operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. See, the arithmetic operators are used to perform basic and fundamental mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division. Here, one thing we need to find, important thing we should learn is about this division and modulo division. Let us see the table of operators. Now you can see the table of operators. Okay, here just a minute. Now, so this we know addition, we know subtraction, we know multiplication, and we should know about division and modulo division here. So if you consider the structure of division, so here we take quotient value, here you will get remainder, so divisor, dividend we write, right? So division gives the result as quotient value and modulo division will give the result as remainder value. So this gives quotient value and this gives remainder value as the result. That is a change, nothing other than that. So the division operator generates the result is quotient value and the modulo division generates the result is remainder value. Based on the type of arguments, arithmetic operators are again divided into 3 types. That is integer arithmetic, real arithmetic, mixed arithmetic. Means arithmetic operations performed on only integer numbers. Integer numbers means what? A number without a decimal point or decimal value. That number we call it as integer number. Next, real arithmetic means what? Which contains point values. Mixed arithmetic means one integer and one real. Let us see. Now you can see here clearly, for example, now an operator which takes operands only integers means an operator which works only on integers, that is called integer arithmetic. The result of integer arithmetic is integer only. So let us see the example here. A value is 7, B value is 5. So that is 7 plus 5 12, 7 minus 5 2, 7 5 are 35. Okay. So here A by B is a division and A modulo division B here it is. So now here we take like this. So in 5 table how many times 7 will go, like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, this number is big. So 5 ones are 5 we will write. So 7 minus 5, 2. That's it. Here we need to stop because integers will accept only numbers without a decimal point. So to complete that we can perform like this. Yes, 5 ones are 5, we are getting 2. So we can keep point here and 0 here. So like this, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 we will write. So we will get remainder 0, but result will not be a 1.4. See here, result is 1 because it will accept only integers and the remainder is 2. So computer will use like this logic, integers, no decimal values. Next, real means which contains numbers after point. Like real numbers or real arithmetic you can do. So now like this 7.0, 5.0 I have taken. So this is called real number which contains decimal point. That is 12.0. 2.0, 35.0, 1.4. See here we got 1.4. That is the result 1.4. So modulo division can't be used with real numbers. Yes, of course. How you can perform like this 5.0 divided by 7.0? It is not possible. So we don't know what is 5.0 table. Right? That's why it is modulo division can't be used with real numbers. So modulo division, this is not possible. Next, mixed means combination. One integer, one arithmetic. See here I have taken A as 7.0, B as 5. So he will get, see, one integer, one arithmetic gives what result? Real number only. Okay. So one integer plus one float. Float is nothing but real value. So what it will do? You will get result as float only. So 2 minus 0, same results. You can see. The thing is, the result of mixed arithmetic is floating point type, because floating point is the largest size than the integers. So to know about the size, you should learn the concept of data types. So if you listen, okay. If not, please go back to the data type concept and you can listen what do you mean by size of the data type. Next, program. Example program. Class is a keyword we use to declare class, and the starting letter of the class name must be capital in Java. Next, main method, public static void main string args. Next, declaration, A and B are the variables, so I am performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division, all the variables. So initialization, A value 20, B value 10, and A addition equals to A plus B, A minus B, multiplication A into B, division and modulo division. Now I am taking system.out.println addition. Here I am printing, subtraction I am printing, multiplication, division and modulo division I am printing and closing the bracket. So this is the program. Now you can see the output like this. So this is the compilation process. Java C will compile, and this is the execution, and this is the output which is checked in the command line interface. So this is about arithmetic operators. So I hope you understood operators introduction, and in that arithmetic operators. So let us discuss one by one operator in detail in the next class. Till then, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.